How's it going? Consulting Joe here with another video, and today is the 3D printed vending machine. And how it works is this little keypad over here and LCD, the brains right here, and you got a dial to adjust the brightness of the LEDs. We got a little power switch down there, and here's a sneak peek at the motors and some gears before it's all fully buttoned up. But this is it. It's got keys and real metal hinges, and here's the demo. So here we go. Let's dispense A1, and there it is. Let's get something else. Let's get A2, and there we go. We got them both. Let's get B3. Oh shit. There we go. It's not perfect. 3D printed. Alright, let's do C1. Get some popcorn. Let's get the other one while we're at it. Boom. So there we go. Running on 12 volts and 5 volts custom PCB circuit board that I designed. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Let's do one more. B2. Boom. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care. See you on the next one.